Hi everyone, it's Lee here with LSS Luscious Knits, and we're doing the brioche thing. Specifically, we're doing the two-color brioche in the round thing. If you checked my blog post about brioche and started up casting on your stitches, if you checked the document that I had on the blog post about the ground rules of brioche knitting, you're ready to go. So here we are with our cast on stitches using a stretchy cast on onto our circular needles, and if you want to use double pointed, that's okay. We've started with the darker color and we cast on our stitches, joined them in the round, and knit all the way through. So now we're ready to start our setup row for our lighter color. Now the setup row will begin like this: knit one, yarn forward, slip one, yarn over, and knit again. So let me show you how this is done. You take your lighter color, mine is going to be yellow. You're doing the setup round, so get ready to knit, okay? So, oh, and before I begin, I'm sorry, you should leave the dark colored yarn hanging in the front when you're done with your first knit round that you had cast on, okay? So leave that hanging in the front. You got your marker attached to the first stitch. Very important. Make sure that marker is attached to the first stitch. Now, knit one, okay? We're taking our yarn, the lighter color, and we're knitting one, right? Now, we bring the yarn forward. This is the setup round, okay? I'm gonna make my tail a little bit shorter here because I don't like really long tails. Okay, we're bringing our yarn forward like this. I hope you can see everything okay. And actually, since I'm going to be using my yellow yarn, I'm going to have my blue yarn on the left side and my yellow on the right side because I don't want them to get all tangled up with each other. So, setup round for yellow stitches, or the lighter color. We've done our first knit stitch. Now we've brought the yarn forward, and we're going to slip one with the yarn forward, yarn over, and knit again. And the way you do that is you just go ahead and knit with the yarn forward, and there is your yarn over right there. You see that little stitch or bit of yarn that's going over the needle? That's the yarn over. Bring the yarn forward, slip one, yarn over, knit one. So what most of the directions typically say is you're going to knit one, yarn over, or yarn forward, slip one, yarn over, and then just repeat that whole sequence. So again, I just knitted one, I'm bringing the yarn back forward, I'm slipping one, and then I'm going to knit with the yarn forward, thus creating my yarn over. So just keep doing that. Slip one, knit one with the yarn forward, there's your yarn over. Slip one with the yarn forward, knit one with the yarn forward, thus creating the yarn over. Now remember, you've got to start this round with a knit stitch, okay? And that's just a regular knit stitch. Your yarn was not forward before you started that knit stitch, okay? But then after that, it's always forward. So bring the yarn forward, slip, and then knit with the yarn forward. Bring the yarn forward, slip, and then knit with the yarn forward. Again, bring the yarn forward, slip, and then knit with the yarn forward. Keep on going until you come close to the end of the round, and then I'll show you what to do next.